Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JMIN examination. This question came on 31st August 2021 in shift 1. So let us see this question first. Question says a helicopter is flying horizontally with a speed of v at an altitude of h and has to drop a food packet for a man on the ground. Okay, suppose this is the initial position of helicopter. Let it be at a certain position and which is h height from the ground. Okay, at this particular point he threw the packet, this helicopter threw the packet, and it will form a trajectory and it will come down just like this. So this is a packet at which this is a packet which will gonna fall to the ground, and the path it takes is parabolic. Okay, so this is half projectile motion. Now what is the distance of the helicopter from the man when the food packet is dropped? So this is a food packet, and what is this distance? You need to find out what is the distance from the helicopter from the man, so that when the helicopter has dropped the packet. So this is the distance that you need to find out. Okay, so obviously if it is moving horizontally with the speed of v, the packet, small packet, would also have a horizontal speed of v. So that means it is continuously moving the horizontal direction and at the same time it is freely falling. Okay, it is continuously freely falling. Okay, so when it is freely falling, its initial speed was vertical speed was 0, the vertical speed of the packet, and this helicopter was constantly moving with the speed v. Okay, so since both have the horizontal speed which is same, when the helicopter is here and it is moving with the speed v, at the same level the packet will gonna drop. Okay, so when the packet is here, the helicopter must have moved this much of distance. So what is the horizontal distance moved by the packet? The horizontal distance moved by the packet is distance equal to speed into time. So speed is v and multiplied by time. What is the time taken by the packet to come down? So it has to travel h distance. Initial speed was 0. Okay, so this h is equal to ut plus half a t square. Initial speed was, horizontal speed was 0. Let t be the time taken to reach to come to the bottom. Okay, so this distance is equal to ut plus half g t square. So it must be equal to half g t square, and the times comes out to be root 2h by g. Okay, this is the time that you should that is coming. So this, in order to fall h height, it will gonna take root of 2h by g time to come downward. So distance moved in the horizontal direction must be equal to distance equal to speed into time. What is time over here? Time is 2h by g. Okay, this distance was h and this distance is v into root 2h by g. So what would be this distance? This distance is hypotenuse of these two whole square. So this hypotenuse of this triangle. So the distance that you need to find out must be equal to root of h square plus this much of whole square. So that means it is v square and 2h by g. So finally we'll be getting answer as 2h by g v square plus h square. So let us see which option is correct. 2 v square h by g plus h square. So the third option that we are getting, this is the correct option that we are getting out of the all four options. Okay, I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.